Hello, this is Sachin Sawant, your immigration lawyer. Today I'm going to talk about excess absences uh, and are they allowed under the 10-year long residence application. We have been asked this question quite regularly when we are advising clients on indefinite leave to remain application on the basis of long residence, that especially due to the COVID pandemic, the coronavirus related issues. So the excess absences are at the discretion of the caseworker to be disregarded or considered. So the usual absences that are allowed under the 10-year ILR are 180 days at any one time throughout the 10-year period, or 540 days in the last 10 years before the date of application in total. So anything beyond that, either at any one point of time, so instead of 180 you have 250, or anything maybe 300 also, or in the total 10 years instead of and 540 you have say 700 or any other number. So if you are able to prove for the difference, whatever is the excess over 180 or over 540, and you are able to show some proof, it can be some proof with an explanation from a lawyer. We have ourselves represented many clients, and successfully we've got the approvals. So it depends, it's really depends on individual's case. Every case is different, everyone has their own reasons. So we have represented individuals where their family members were sick due to COVID, family members tested positive, were hospitalized. We produced, the client was able to produce hospital bills, letter from the hospital, anything, such documents. Sometimes a close family member has passed away, so a death certificate or anything like that, which would prove that they did go through the COVID issues, and finally, yeah, so that is what has happened. Or let's say you yourself as the applicant, you were stuck in some country, in other than UK, wherever you were stuck, you were unable to travel. For example, you yourself tested positive, you may have been hospitalized. Say if you were tested positive or family member tested positive, then use the positive test result as evidence. That will help. Any hospitalization bills, letter from the doctor, letter from the hospital, flight cancellation tickets. At the time, many airlines were canceling their flights. I have seen and used many flight cancellation tickets, emails from those airlines. If you rebook the flight when you had the opportunity, when you were able to travel, uh, the rebooking of the flight, any evidence to show that you return to the UK as soon as possible as you became medically fit, or that person became medically fit, your family member. Uh, so any evidence, uh, I it is difficult to pinpoint to a specific evidence. Every case is different. You may have your own case and your own different type of an evidence. Any evidence will be considered. There is nothing wrong with that. But remember, it is always advisable, if you have excess absences and due to COVID, definitely take legal representation, because it's a discretionary area, and the home office, the case working team has to be satisfied. So we make legal representations, we go through the documents. If anything is short, we tell you, maybe can you provide this, can you provide that. Then we draft our own legal cover letter and file it along with your application. So it is always advisable to take legal advice for your specific situation. If you need any advice, then you can book a consultation with us, a video consultation, in-person consultation. You'll have the details in the under the video or on our website. And if you do like this video, do subscribe to our channel. It will go to others who are, there are many individuals stuck in this situation, whether to file the application or not, or what to do. And it may end up they just extending their leaves, go for a long period of time, spending more monies on different types of visas to extend their lives in the UK. So yes, if this video reaches those types of people who already qualify and they did have some absences, it may help them. So please do like this video, subscribe to it. If you dislike it, put any comment. And yes, we can help you with such situations. And Follow us on various social media platforms, Facebook, Twitter, etc. And thank you very much for watching this video.